Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set job title on ClickUp application. So how to set job title on ClickUp application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the ClickUp app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the ClickUp app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Edit Profile. Tap Job Title. Here you can edit your job title. So that's it, tutorial how to set job title on ClickUp application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.